do this. Our Debbie wanted to talk about Aloha Oi and working on a little a chord solo. And we're going to do this over the introduction, but we can also stick it into the body of the song so that we can play it again. So the part that we're working on is so what we did first, this is all by ear. We do not have tablature. We do not have this written in a chart. We're figuring this out by ear. And we're in the key of C, and so we figured out what the notes of the melody are. And we're fudging one little note. The first part of this solo really starts on a G. If you want to throw that in, great. But we concentrated on la, 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 and we identified by ear, by like going la, 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 what those notes are. La, A, C, F. The melody. Our next job was to find the chord form around that melody, and hoping, as sometimes happens, that the melody is actually happening in the chord form. And it is for the most part. We have one little exception here. So we're making an F. Well, this whole part of this video, we're just using the chord, the harmony, F. So we make an F. And because the first note is an A, that is part of the F chord. So you can strum down with your thumb. I'm doing a rolling block chord. La, la. Okay, now remember, the whole chord is C, so we're going to have to keep, is F, so we're going to have to keep laying that down. So let's play an F again, but we're going to hit a C note. So I had to take my baby finger and push into the 3rd fret on the A string. That's a C note. Ba, ba. And then I'm going to slide up to that 8th fret and make a little G minor 7 form. That way I have to play the bottom 3 strings. I can't play all 4 strings. That's a partial F chord, but it looks like a G minor 7 chord in the 8th fret. Let's try that together. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.